Let's get down our subdivisions first. So we're going to play quarter notes, eighth notes, triplets, and 16th notes using our C major scale. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a C in our left hand, playing quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our right hand is going to play 4 quarter notes up the scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's going to play 4 quarter notes down, and we always come down from a note above where we ended. So we ended on F, we're going to come down from G. So up, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be slower than that when we play it, but that's how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? Then we go up to eighth notes, so that will be up 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we come down from a note above where we ended. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Then for triplets, the same thing. Triplet, 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 triplet. Come down from A, triplet, 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 1. And then finally 16th notes, 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1. So let's take our metronome at 65 BPMs. Let's do everything twice. 1, 2, quarter notes, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Eighth notes, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Triplets, here we go. 1 tita, 2 tita, 3 tita, 4 tita, 1 tita, 2 tita, 3 tita. Again, 1 tita, 2 tita, 3 tita, 4 tita, 1 tita, 2 tita. 16th notes. Again. Back down to triplets. Triplet, triplet. Back down to eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 again. Back down to quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, go slow. Take your time. Good luck.